Hey everyone, Don Master here. I finally got the 1/2 inch drive Tekton set. It is 84 piece, 6.38 to inch and 5/16, deep and shallow. 10 millimeter to 32 millimeter in metric, deep and shallow. 3-inch extension, 10-inch extension, 18-inch breaker bar, and 10.5-inch ratchet 1/2 inch drive. So pretty excited I got this. Amazon doesn't have these right now. They have used ones that are basically the same price as I got this at Coastal. So I paid $279. It was just over $300 out the door, which I think is a good deal for how big this kit is and how expansive it is. Very tough case. So I haven't even opened it. We're gonna open her up with you guys. Got the Smith & Wesson knife here. We're going to try to carefully open this up, just in case I have to return it for any reason. I'm probably not going to. Very sharp. Okay. Get her opened up here for you guys. Tekton has some pretty nice cases, I'll tell you that. A lot nicer than the gear wrench. Okay. Sucker's heavy. There's a lot of goods in here, my boys. Okay. 1/2 inch drive. Oh, there's latches on the sides too. Now that's a real case. There it is. Oh, the long extension kind of fell out. So, there's the breaker bar. Pretty decent quality. Tekton. Let me know what you guys think about Tekton. Is it a good brand? Did I do the right thing, or should I have gone with gear wrench? Let me know down in the comments. So here's the 1/2 inch ratchet. 92 quick release. Pretty good quality. I like it. They got a nice handle on them. So we got our metrics here. 24. Very nice. Nice and stamped. That's going to hold up good. Always be able to read all the way up. Here's 32. Pretty good size socket right there. And then here's the deep 32. Nice chamfering and in the corners. Very nice for the anvil insert there. Very nice chroming on that. Let's look at the 24 deep. Same thing. Nice etching. And then here's the smaller deal. It's the 10 millimeter. Pretty good quality. Shallow 10. Probably not going to use these small ones much, but 23 millimeter. 23 deep. Nice. And then up here we got a 10-inch extension. Really aggressive knurling. Like, that feels almost as aggressive as Mac. I like the aggressive knurling on that. Nice ball detent. The chroming is really nice on these. For the price, you know, you can't beat it. Here's the universal. That's engraved very nice. Pretty smooth. That should come handy in this kit where applicable. And here's a 3-inch extension. Pretty good knurling on that. And here's our SAE socket. So for the small ones, we got our 3/8. Very good quality. Up to 7/8. 7/8 deep. Very nice. I'm happy. And then the bigger ones, 15/16. Just a nice looking socket. They're almost like, I'm not going to say they're snap-on and matte quality, but they're pretty darn close. All the way up to 1 5/16. Look at that sucker. That's a nice looking socket. No defects. Very nice broaching. Nice insert end. Look at the big, deep 1 5/16. Ugh. If I can get it out of there. That's a nice looking socket. Nice, goes deep on the insets. It's one thing I heard about the gear wrench, some complaints on reviews on Amazon, is the deep sockets don't have that deep recess. But anyways, that's a nice socket. Deep. And then here's the 15/16 deep. So anyway, let's see how let's just take this guy and take the 3-inch extension, put that on there. Feels good. Let's take a 15/16 shallow. Alright, so there's what that looks like. The ratchet does feel very nice. Forward and reverse. Fairly smooth. Not the best, but it's pretty good. Tekton. Their handles are a little different compared to other brands, but I like this. I think this is going to work out. I'm going to try. Let's try the deep extension. I really need to get a camera stand. I'm going to order one today, so I don't have to do everything one-handed. But this is a very nice kit. I I already have pretty much 1/2-inch drive sockets and everything already, mostly snap-on, deep and shallow, metric and standard, but this is a nice set. It goes a lot bigger than what I have at work for chromes, and it's going to be a set. Hey, quit fighting. That's enough. This is going to be a set that stays home with me, and I'm going to really enjoy using this around the farm. I'll be using it working on the big horse trailer or working on whatever. If I got to do some bigger stuff on the truck or whatever, or if we go on a road trip, camping trip, and we take the truck, this will be behind the seat, along with my gear wrench 1/4 and 3/8 socket set, and my gear wrench 40-piece bit set, Torx and Allens. And I'll have all 3 of these in there, and then I have a bigger DeWalt tool bag that's full of pliers and channel locks and a little bit of pry bars and screwdrivers and picks and magnets and whatever, you know. Just a nice basic set for going over the road. Along with that guy, that'll be in my tool bag, and my metric set that I'm going to be ordering that's gear wrench. Just a basic ratcheting wrench set, non-reversible. I'm going to get that metric one pretty soon. And I'm just going to have everything I need everywhere I go. You know, it's just confidence, you know. For example, I went to transfer my new truck into my name from my in-laws. They gifted me a Dodge Dakota, and we were swapping plates out in the parking lot because they kept their old plates because they're disabled plates. So I just busted out the toolkit, did it, and then a couple other guys in the parking lot came up to me and they're like, "Hey, you look like a tool guy. Would you happen to have this Torx bit? It's a tamper-proof Torx, and this guy has them on his license plate. We can't get them off, and we need to do it. We're kind of stuck here." I'm like, you know what? You asked the right guy, because I happen to have my gear wrench set that I just bought that I keep in my truck and my car all the time. So luckily I had that, and he was able to swap his plates without having to mess around. But this is just something that I enjoy doing, and I enjoy having everything I need to not be stranded. So let's take a look at this breaker bar again. The breaker bar is nice, Tekton. Everything's either laser, I think it's laser etched. It's pretty deep though, it ain't gonna wear off. It might over time, but I doubt it. This design here is similar to my Expert 3/4 breaker bar that I have at work, with the black bigger end. I don't know if it's beefier maybe than the standard breaker bars you see. I see a lot of brands going this route. Let me know down in the comments what you think. And anyways, before I end this video, I've gone kind of long here. Just excited about this thing. It's a good kit, you know. I'm going to give you the part number, if I can find it. And so that way, those of you who want to try to look it up or see if a local store has it, you can get it fairly easily. So bear with me. Man, this 1/2-inch extension, that's kind of a pain. It rests in here, but it's supposed to snap. There we go. Jesus. Hold on 1 second. There we go. You got to push that 1/2-inch extension down in there. So I'm going to put the cardboard back in. Sorry about that. I'm sorry. My camera skills will be getting better. it's a big product to be showing you with no tool stand. So that closes up like that. Make sure the latches are... Ow! That thing will crush your hands if you get them in there. Jesus. So that's all closed up. 1/2-inch drive, no part number on the hard plastic case. But we'll get you a part number here on the outer shell. So it is a... Here we go. Tekton 1/2-inch drive, 84-piece socket set. It's the SKT 25302. And that was SKT 25302. 16 deep, 16 standard on the SAE. 23 deep, 23 standard on the metric. Universal, breaker bar, straights. Large, easy to read, die stamped markings. So they're die stamped. So that's good. And then let's see here. Always a guarantee. I've heard good things about their support. Do not use with impact drivers. That's why I got this kit, for keeping in the truck, for doing hand tool work. And this is a made in Taiwan product. There's the part number again. SKT 25302. So, made in Taiwan. This set's going to hold up. And I'm happy I got it. So, thanks for watching. Please leave a comment and like the video if you could. And subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to build up my subscribers, and I don't have a lot. So, if you guys could do that, that would be awesome. And hope you guys have a great Mother's Day and a great rest of your weekend. Thanks for watching. Bye.